Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we will install the Ubuntu on a Windows computer, the Linux version. So you can either download it here directly on the Linux, but the idea is to run it in a Linux Windows on the Windows itself. They call it VSL, okay? So that's the amazing part to get the maximum power. So the first thing what you need to do is to update the Windows PowerShell. So how you do it is you go here, command, and you see the terminal, and you open it as admin. Okay. Then the first thing to do is you copy this and it will install you the PowerShell. I already done it, but I just do it again. So I did it already, that's why it didn't work out. Okay, then the next thing is to install Ubuntu. So you copy this and you install it. I've already installed it, so it won't work. Then if you install it, what will happen, the computer will you have to restart the computer. It's clearly mentioned here. Okay, it will restart your computer after you installed this. And then once you restart it, you come back here, you again write this command, then another window open, and you will put your name. It will ask you for a username and a password. So you just set a password, very simple one, okay? And then what you do is you go into this VSL thing. Since now Ubuntu it's started, so this starts this Ubuntu, so now we are in, okay? And now, one that Ubuntu is set up with the username, we go and install the easy BTX. So we click copy. Now let me get this out. Paste. Okay, now it asks us for our password, which we just set up. Now it installs everything. Okay, now it's installed, and this is the easy BTX miner. It's a bit small here, but basically this is how it looks. Okay, now in order to start, add your payout wallet. Okay, very important. So now I will take one of the wallets, and the best way to create the wallet is very simple. You go to this website, you click on wallet, download, and you just download this wallet, or the one for the Mac. It's amazing. And you have to run it as an admin, okay? So now let's go back. Now let's add the wallet here. So we click on settings. And now in the settings we put a cool name, homie. Okay. And now we click here on wallets. Sorry, payout, and we choose external address. This is our external address. You can also test the format, but you save it. They start usually with BTX, you see. It was here set up now. Now you go X, and it's starting, and that's it. And now you enjoy the BTX, and tell all your friends to download it. It's not so hard, right? Peace out.